Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Skating Too Fast, and we're gonna check out this awesome bank I bought at a garage sale. So here we go. It is steel, cast iron. Okay, and been messing around with it, trying to figure out the combination. Can't figure it out. So I guess this is just the way you're gonna get it. Oh, I got it open. Hey, oh, look what's in there. Whoa. Well, you're not getting that, but okay guys, I figured out the combination, so hope you can get a good look in there. Here we go, and the combination looks like it's I2. So there you go. There you go, guys. This will be available on greenflagstock.com. Greenflagstock.com. That's where this will be available. Check that out. And there's many more banks because I bought quite a few banks. So there you go.